Traditional Christmas plants include trees and poinsettias, the Christmas cactus, cotton. There are lots of cute and creative uses for cotton at Christmas time. And here to demonstrate, Chrissy Jenkins, who grows cotton and uses it for DIY decor projects. Great to have you back.
Thank you for having me.
Love what you've brought today. So many pretty things we can do with cotton. This has become a really hot trend in decor.
It has, and it's just been so much fun growing the crop, and I've learned so much. I'm a farmer at heart, and decided to just to try my hand at growing cotton, and we're just having a great time with it.
Now, is cotton ever something, once you pick it and you use it to decorate, like will it ever wilt or as long as you keep the cotton indoors, it will be fine.
Yeah, so it has to stay out of the weather.
But there aren't a lot of living things like that you can always use, and it looks pretty nice, you know? I like it. So you're going to show us how to do a little DIY today, right?
Yeah, I am. Okay, all you need is just a mason jar. Not sure this isn't really a true mason jar, but my gal Beth Butler sent me this. Thank you, Miss Beth. And so what we need is you need your jar, and you need some paint. Just any type of spray paint that you have will work, and I just happen to have turquoise because turquoise is one of my favorite colors.
I like that color.
And these are fresh berries that you can find, you know, in your landscaping. And then we got fresh pine, and then of course some cotton, and just really any type of ribbon that you have will work just fine. I mean, this is nothing special. It's just some ribbon. Actually, it's a gift ribbon is what it is. And so basically all you need to do is you just start just layering it in there. And there's no protocol for this either. So, I mean, anything will go. Okay. So what we can do is we can start with our cotton.
How many acres of cotton do you have?
5.
5 acres.
Yeah, 5 acres. And see, what do they call it? They call it the snow of the South.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, the snow of the South. And then we layer in our berries.
Now, is your farm, are you in Scottsville or are you across the state line?
We are in Scottsville, but we are actually in Amos, Kentucky.
Amos, Kentucky.
Yeah, my favorite community ever.
Hello to Amos.
Hello to Amos.
Watching Midday.
All right. And then, I tell you what I love is I love the fake snow.
Yeah?
Love some
kind of retro, isn't it?
Yeah.
To use the fake snow.
Let's just spray some of this down.
We'll get our white Christmas one way or another.
That's right. One way or another. And then we just cut it off of the branch, and then just layer it in there.
That's cute. Just
for some color and some fun. And you know, this is so easy and so inexpensive. And I can tell you, school teachers love this kind of stuff. Grandma loves this kind of stuff.
It's a cute gift idea.
Yeah,
take somebody something like that.
Yeah, just a fun little gift.
It's kind of rustic.
Yeah,
the
like the vintage. Like I love vintage chic.
Me too.
Like vintage meets chic. That's what I like.
It.
And then you can just spin this around, and you can just tie it. I'm going to cut this just a little bit. So
and you were telling me, you were like, really, I had all of this stuff already. You didn't have to buy anything.
No, I had it. Actually, this ribbon right here was just in my box of just Christmas, you know, just Christmas decor, tape, ribbon, wrapping paper, stuff that I've had for years. I try not to buy no more than I have to, because it's just, you know, you don't use it all year long.
It's waste. It gets expensive. So this is a nice budget-friendly idea.
So just a nice DIY gifting that most people will absolutely love. And then you can just tie that around there like that. And looky there.
That's so cute.
Just a fun little gift for just whoever you want to surprise with a nice, happy Christmas gift.
And it's so unexpected to put all of those elements together, you know, and it just makes such a nice presentation. Tell us what else you've used little cotton here on the tree.
Yeah, it was just a little bit too much trouble to bring in a big tree, so I just brought in just a small little tree. And what I did with this little tree is I just put some little lights on it, a little fun bow, and then you can just take one of your cotton stems and you can just pull your cotton out from the bowl and just put it in there, just like that.
That's fun. It looks like snow on the tree.
Yeah, it just looks, you know, just something just easy and simple. And guys, this stuff is just so simple. What I'm trying to do, it's not anything hard. It's not a lot of time consuming, but I think it just you add some happiness to your Christmas decor.
It does. Using it in the stocking and with the wreath, taking traditional Christmas symbols and using it.
Yeah, and talking about the stocking, I took just a chalkboard board, just something small you can find at Hobby Lobby, Amazon, the dollar store, just anywhere, and I hot glued it on there.
Oh.
And I put Mrs. Hessen on there. That's one of my friends, and she's a school teacher, and I know she would love something like that. That's another fun school teacher gift, just anything like that.
Oh, fun.
And the wreath here, everything on the wreath is fresh as well.
And a lot of people, too, for year-round decor, will just put cotton in a vase and put it on the mantle.
Yeah, because, see, you can take this off because the ribbon, makes it festive.
Yeah.
So you can just take that off and then just, you can set this around all year long.
Yeah,
red serves as Valentine's, too.
True. This will take us through February.
Yeah, true.
And tell us how people can find you.
You can find me on social media, Chrissy Jenkins. You can find me on Instagram as well. And I'm now with NCTC TV. And you can find me on their TV station and their YouTube. So that is NCTC YouTube page.
All right. I told Chrissy, so you're going to say that. I can't get that out there. Merry Christmas. Have you got all your Christmas shopping done?
I'm just about there. Yeah, I think it's going to be a lot of gift cards this year.
Hey, that works. That gives just as well as anything else.
Time has literally got away from me this year.
You're a little busy.
Yeah,
you can find Chrissy on Facebook or Instagram. You can also give her a call, 615-633-7606.
Thank you for having me.
You're so welcome.